Hello and welcome to this complimentary training. It's Chris and Kurt from Lifter LMS, and today we're doing a presentation about the Lifter LMS Advanced Coupons add-on, which released recently. So I want to welcome everybody to the call, and if you have questions as we go, drop them in a comment wherever you're watching this. If you're inside the webinar, we're watching comments. If you're watching it on social media, we're watching comments. So drop any questions you have about advanced coupons and what we're going to talk about today in the chat. This is going to be an interactive session. I may take some questions as we go, or we'll definitely have a dedicated Q&A section at the end of the presentation. So let us know what's on your mind and what questions you have about Lifter LMS Advanced Coupons. So just to cue it up, Advanced Coupons is a recently released add-on for Lifter LMS, and it adds additional functionality to help you create more sales and through strategic discounts and some advanced coupon options. So we're going to get all into that today. um, if like, why are we even talking about coupons? Well, coupons are something that are a big part of making money on the internet with digital products like courses, memberships, coaching programs. Everybody loves a good deal. They like a discount. They like a special sale and promotion. And we want you to have the most powerful tools for your learning management system, e-commerce system with Lifter LMS Advanced Coupons. So you can purchase advanced coupons off our website. That's just over here under software, add-ons, and you can find advanced coupons in the mix down here and get to that page we were just looking at if you just want to get Lifter LMS Advanced Coupons. You can also get it as part of the Lifter LMS Infinity Bundle over here. You know, when you click on compare plans right here, we get this question a lot. People ask, hey, like which add-ons are in which bundle? It's all right here. You can see advanced coupons is over here included in the Infinity Bundle. So, and then also I just wanted to show you that we do have documentation for the Lifter LMS Advanced Coupons. This is a great overview video that you can check out that's really well polished. I'm going to be doing a raw presentation for you today, going into detail and setting things up. We've done some Feature Fridays on advanced coupons, and we go into all the details of what we're going to talk about today. It's all in the Lifter LMS documentation. So, yeah, if you want to get Lifter LMS Advanced Coupons, you can get it with the Infinity Bundle or just get it as an individual add-on. But let's go ahead and take a look at a site with advanced coupons installed on it. So this is the Lifter LMS. It's a demo site that's using one of our templates that you can get the exact website we're looking at here for $1. It's our Try Lifter LMS for $1. If you want to test advanced coupons or look at any of our other technology before you buy. But I'm just going to go into the back end of this website, and we're going to go down here to plugins. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off Lifter LMS Advanced Coupons. So I'm going to deactivate it since I already have it installed on this demo site. And then we're going to go look at Lifter LMS Coupons because Lifter LMS coupon system is included in the core version of Lifter LMS. So the coupon system already exists and you can use it. But what Advanced Coupons does is it provides additional functionality on top of the base coupon system that Lifter LMS has. So if we were going to add a coupon without using Lifter LMS Advanced Coupons, let's say 80. We give our coupon a name up here. This is the actual code that people use on the checkout. So I'm just calling this code, I'm spelling out 80% off, and I'll go ahead and publish that. Well, let's do the discount amount. So we have options here. We can do a percentage discount, a dollar discount. We can target specific access plans that the coupon can work with. So if I was just doing a simple 80% off coupon that worked with everything, I would set it up like this and publish it. So this is in the core version of Lifter LMS. And over here, there's some restrictions where we can restrict the coupon to specific courses on this website or specific memberships. And then we can give the coupon an expiration date and a number of times it can be used. And that's the base coupon system, but there's so much more you can do with Lifter LMS advanced coupons. So if we jump into that, let me turn the advanced coupons plugin back on. I'm just activating it here. And now we go over to the coupons area. And you can see I'm going to add another coupon here. Let's say it's like a Black Friday sale, 50% off. You can see I have some more options here. So let's do a percentage discount again using the same example. Discount amount, 80%. And I'm just going to go ahead and click publish. Actually, I said I was going to do 50%, so let me just switch that up to 50%. And over here on the restrictions, you can see we actually have a lot more stuff and options that we can do to make our coupons more powerful. The description here is just something where you can add more information about the coupon for your own records. And then we have this powerful new feature called coupon URLs, which is where you can apply a coupon by a custom link. And I'm going to get into detail of what that is. Coupon URLs is one of the most powerful features in Lifter LMS Advanced Coupons. I'm going to demo that in a little bit. And we also added some coupon reporting over here. So if I go over to a coupon that has some reporting data, you can see that there's usage data. Well, this one wasn't used. Let me find one that was used. You can see we have some usage reporting data over here, which people have requested more detailed reporting about coupons. So that's in advanced coupons. But now I'm going to step through how this works with advanced coupons. So let's go back to our Black Friday 50% off coupon example. And let's step through the features available with Lifter LMS advanced coupons. So if I look at the restrictions here, you can see I can now target specific access plans. So this is called access plan targeting. And just to make the example a little more real, I'm going to go to the front end of the website, and we're going to use the a specific course that we're going to work with for this demo. So let's demo the commercial real estate investing course. Now, when we look at this course, we can see it is set up with 3 access plans right here. So this is one course, but you can buy it for $500 and you just get the course. You can buy it for $2,000 and it comes with group coaching, or you can buy it for $10,000 and it comes with private coaching. So this is the access plan system that's built into Lifter LMS, synced up with the e-commerce engine. So these are our price points we've chosen for this course, and we're going to use some examples off of this pricing to demonstrate the features of Lifter LMS advanced coupons. So going back over to our Black Friday coupon. If we were going to, let's say, do a promotion where we want to do 50% off the group coaching plan as a specific promotion we're going to do, we could target that specific access plan right here. So you can see I'm going to limit this coupon code to the commercial real estate group coaching access plan. And I'll hit update right there. And I'm just going to copy this code. Let me first actually copy the website up here. And if I open that in a new incognito window, which you can't see, let me reshare my screen. Let me figure that out. I'm just going to reshare my screen with you with the whole screen. All right, so I have my incognito window right here. And then I have where I was editing the coupon as an administrator over here. So I'm going to copy my coupon code, Black Friday 50, and go back over to my other screen here where I'm testing the experience as a regular website visitor. And I'm going to go look at this commercial real estate investing course. Now imagine I want to purchase this course and I saw the 50% off coupon and I try to use it on this course. I'm going to enter my code here. And you can see this coupon cannot be used to purchase the a la carte version. So let me back out of here. And maybe I decide to upsell into the group coaching plan for $2,000, which is what this coupon code was intended for. I'm putting the coupon code in, and now it gives me the discount. So now I got 50% off because this coupon only works for this specific access plan. Imagine I just did a promotion where I'm trying to get more people into my group coaching program. So that's that example right there. That's called access plan targeting. And let's now look at another powerful thing we can do, which is minimum coupon amount targeting. So, or that's over here in the restrictions. So I'm just going to create, I'm just going to reuse this same coupon code here. So in the restrictions, I'm going to remove what we just did just to speed things up and use the same example coupon here. So I'm just updating it. I'm resetting it. It's still a 50% off coupon. It can be used on any access plan now. We remove that restriction. But now if we look at minimum checkout amount, let's say we want to give people 50% off, but only if they spend at least $5,000. So if I do that and I update that and I go to, we'll just use that same course as an example. And let's say I tried to buy the group coaching program, which is only $2,000. Actually, this is, it's just remembering where I was before. So let me apply the coupon code again. And it says the minimum purchase price amount for this coupon is $5,000. So what we're doing here is I'm just going to refresh this screen. So it starts fresh. What we want to do is get people to spend at least $5,000 on the website to take advantage of this special coupon. So if I go back to this course as a user, and I was paying attention to the marketing message that said I had to spend at least $5,000 to use the coupon code, we're going to use it right here. and it's going to function because it met the minimum value that needed to be in the cart for it to work. So that's what the minimum checkout total coupon option is. So let's keep working and going through the advanced coupons options. Again, if you have any questions at all, just drop them in the chat or as a comment wherever you're watching this video. So I'm going to remove the minimum checkout amount, and then we can just look at maximum uses per user. This one's pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to do a front end demo of this, but this is basically, let's say you had an introductory offer where you only offer 50% off to anybody for their very first purchase. That way, you're just kind of encouraging people to at least get in the door. The first thing you buy from me is 50% off, and it's just a certain type of promotion. So that's what maximum uses per users is, which is pretty cool. It also helps protect people from abusing like a really high dollar value coupon that you're using for, kind of good for one use per person strategy. The next thing, let me just delete that out. And I'll actually start with a fresh coupon code here. And this is a what's for, let me go ahead and add a new coupon code. So I'm adding a coupon code that I want to only be able to be used in the Philippines, and it's 60% off. And I'll talk about the reasons behind this in a second. But the way, and this is 60% off. So if I publish this, and then I go to my restrictions, I'm going to enable geographic restrictions. So here you can select which countries you want this coupon to function in. And the way this is figured out is based on the location of the person visiting your website. So here's the Philippines, and I'm going to hit update on that. And I'm sorry, I realize I spelled Philippines wrong up there, but we'll keep going with this code. So this is a 60% off coupon. And now when I go to the website at logged out in an incognito window, like your website visitors would come, and somebody who's not from the Philippines like me tries to use this coupon code, I'm going to try to use it. And you can see this coupon is restricted for use only in certain countries because the website can tell that I am not visiting this website from the Philippines. I'm actually in the United States. So it's saying I can't use that. And I want to go over why this is important. And this is a very underused strategy that course creators, coaches, education entrepreneurs can use. And really anybody selling any kind of digital product. There is a concept called price localization, which just means that people in different parts of the world have different purchasing ability. Their currency is stronger or weaker compared to your currency or the United States dollar. So what ends up happening with digital products when you're trying to sell them to a global audience is that you may have priced it right, say for the United States and Europe and Australia, but it's cost prohibitive to people in Southeast Asia or certain Latin American countries. So if you want to expand your reach and get more customers and expand your marketing and start doing some marketing in other countries that have less purchasing power, you can do that. And that strategy is called price localization. And I want to give you a couple examples of that um, can help you understand this concept. I first learned about this um, strategy. I'm trying to get that. Hold on one second. Let me switch back. I first learned about this concept when I discovered something called the Big Mac Index. So if you've ever been to McDonald's, you might not realize this, 'cause if unless you're a world traveler, but the McDonald's Big Mac sandwich costs different amounts of money in different countries. And using the Big Mac Index, you can see the price disparity of how it's different. So in this chart, you can see here in the United States, which is what this, um, where I am. So this is the way I'm thinking about it is the sandwich costs $5.71 in US dollars. All of these figures are in US dollars. And what happens is, like, if we look at the Philippines as an example, it's down here. The Big Mac costs $2.86 in the Philippines, which means in US dollars, which means if I wanted to make my price feel as affordable as it does in the United States to somebody in the Philippines, I would need to do a discount of 50% off. And that's just to get the price to kind of normalize. But if I actually wanted to do a promotion or a sale in the Philippines that made sense from the Filipino users mindset, I might do even more, like 60, 70% off to give them a discount to try to get them into the course while being sensitive to their purchasing power. And the funny thing with this is, like in the United States, as an example, some countries it's even more expensive to get a Big Mac in US dollars, particularly the Nordic countries like Norway, Sweden. Um, And with Switzerland, it's the most expensive in the world. So, it's just something to think about. We're talking about discounts, so we're looking more below our purchasing power, but it's just something to be aware of. And just to show you another example real quick that, uh, with an example that you will have known, tons of countries do this. Spotify does this. So Spotify, this might be kinda hard to read because it's dark. Um has different pricing in different parts of the world. So in the United States, where's the United States? The United States is right here, this nil column. So Spotify Premium costs $9.99 in the United States. In Denmark, remember we talked about the Nordic countries, it's almost double that in US dollars because in Denmark, the purchasing power is greater. In Great Britain, the very same Spotify account costs $16.94 in US dollars, which means that's even more in pounds for the same service. So this is an example of purchasing power. And if we get into the discount zone, you can see here down in the Philippines, Spotify costs $2.93 in US dollars for the very same service that people pay $9.99 for in the United States. So when you look down in places like this, like in Southeast Asia, Latin America, you can find places where you might want to consider doing bigger discounts just to make the price feel normal to them for your courses and memberships. But also, if you actually want to sail in that country, you may want to consider an even bigger discount than just making the price feel normal. So that is price localization, or which is the big strategy. But what we're doing here is we're just selecting certain countries that we want this deal to apply to. And so the website automatically, magically detects where the user is and can make the coupon work for them if they're in the appropriate country. And the cool thing about advertising platforms like Facebook, you can target specific countries. Google Ads, you can target specific countries. A lot of email service providers and CRMs collect, the country that people are in, or maybe your registration form on your website, so you can send targeted emails to specific countries, just promoting that discount instead of, say, a broadcast message to everybody on your list. You can actually segment and target that specific country in an email. So that's geographic targeting. And like I mentioned, coupon URLs is a really powerful feature. So selling digital products is all about removing friction to help people, make it easy for people to buy from you, to learn from you, to discover, consume your content, and all these things. So let me, I'll just start with a fresh coupon here. So we'll create a new coupon and we'll just do a 20% off coupon code. Just keeping it simple. You can get fancy with there's more settings, but I'm just showing you the basics here. So we're gonna do a 20 and we're doing percent discount. So I'm gonna go ahead and publish that. And so what happens here is I have to send somebody an email or something and say, hey, use this coupon code at checkout. But if I actually just want somebody to click on a link in an email or from a button on my site, or send it to an affiliate partner to be like, hey, use this link and we'll track your sales, you can do URL coupons or coupon URLs. So I've enabled that for this coupon code. And so this will build a custom URL where somebody literally has to just click on the link and they end up with a coupon code applied. So see how I'm adding a special message to the end of the coupon URL. And then I'm going to select what access plan I want to target for it. And let's do that group coaching example again. And I'm just going to go ahead and click update over here and go to my coupon URL. And I can just copy this right here, or I can, click this little copy clipboard thing to copy it as well. So that is on my clipboard now. So I'm going to go back to this incognito window here. And let me just make sure I clear out what was going on here. Okay. So imagine I'm actually going to navigate away from this website. I'll do it in a new tab so you can see what I'm doing. Well, I guess I'm here. So let me do, I guess I am on google.com, but you can see my browser up here. And let me actually just start over. You can see my browser up here and there's nothing in it. And I'm pasting that coupon URL, which is mywebsite.com/save20. And I'm not sure why I was saying copied on the end, but let's see. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Something I did, I messed something up there, but this is the coupon URL right here. And when I click on it, you can see it goes directly to the checkout with the 20% off coupon code applied to the order. And it's like an instant checkout. Another way you can think about that is, let me go back to my site where I'm logged in. I could be building a landing page on my website. So if I just create a new page, And you know, let's say I started building out a sales page here, and this could be on my website or any website. I'm using actually the aircraft add-on to just make building landing pages really fast. So I'm just doing a simple landing page, and I'll just put some testimonials in there. So I'm just publishing this landing page that I've just made. And what I could do if we view this page, you know, I'm starting to piece together a sales page. And no matter where this page exists on the internet, we could modify our button to go through a coupon URL like this. And then I'm just putting in my, oops, let me get my coupon URL again. So I'm just going to grab my coupon URL right here and put that in there. And I could do that with my other call to action button right here. We'll update that, view the page. And I'm going to take this sales page and go back to my incognito window. And you can see when I click on this link that has the coupon URL inside of it, it takes me to the checkout with the coupon code instantly applied. And that's an example of using URL coupons. You can, anywhere you can post a link on the internet, you can use URL coupons. This is what makes it so powerful. You could post the link in an email. You could place the link in a button on your website. You could post the link in a social media post on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, wherever your people are, and be like, hey, buy my course and coaching and join the community for 20% off. Click here to join. So we've removed a ton of friction, allowing you to do coupon URLs to get people direct to checkout with a coupon and a sale instantly applied. So that is, oh, and then I wanted to show the usage tab one more time. So in terms of usage, if we go to our coupon codes, you can see we have the usage tab right here. And also you can see the orders these are associated with. So if you want to, let's say you're using coupon codes instead of an affiliate system just to track partner referrals, you can do that with coupons, and it's all super organized in your Lifter LMS site website dashboard. And I just want to encourage you to check out Lifter LMS Advanced Coupons. Again, it's right over here. It's an add-on. If you already have the Infinity Bundle, it's sitting inside your account ready for you to use and start making more money with strategic discounts and coupons. But you can also get access to it as part of the Infinity Bundle. Advanced Coupons is included in that. So I'm going to stop my presentation there I want to encourage you to check out our documentation and the videos on there where I go through all this, and everything I've shown you today is really quick and easy to set up once you learn how to drive the coupon system and Lifter LMS, and go ahead and upgrade and get Lifter LMS advanced coupons. Explore that selling your course more, or your coaching or your membership more generally around the world with geographic targeting and some advanced discounting you can do there. Leverage it in your promotions or sales, whatever they are, because coupons do work. I'd like to know if you would drop a comment if you've ever bought something that's been on sale, and the fact that it was on sale motivated your decision to make that purchase that day. But I'm saying that in jest, because I guarantee everybody has used a coupon before as a regular customer, and it's just a big part of sales and marketing, and these things do work. But you can get more advanced with your coupons, so go get advanced coupons. And I'll hand it over to you, Kurt, for any questions we want to get in today coming in.
Well, one of the things I just want to give Sonia a shout out. She made a note of your Big Mac index, and I gotta say, every time that I've heard you talk about the Big Mac index, I always go, "Oh yeah, I forgot about that." But it's one of those kind of crazy cool things that when you think about the idea, I'm just going to be frank. Like when you say advanced coupons, that's not like a sexy name. It's not like a sexy feature to hear it. You go, yeah, coupon, big deal. But when you look at the features, the way you outlined them, and then you consider something like being able to kind of geofence that coupon, it's like, oh, wait a minute, that's a whole different level. That's a whole different, that you could take like a course creator that's generally thinking in terms of just basic SEO to kind of plod along and find some usership. But then when you start talking about geolocation for couponing, then you start realizing, oh, wait a minute, this is a global audience. This is a global application. I could do more. I could reach to more people. I could do this. I could do that. And just starts to get things going. And then I can't help but think of someone else in the WordPress space that talks an awful lot about direct purchase links and how handy they are to put into different social streams, or to put into your, like if you were to use like Hero Post, for example, and you can schedule out a month's worth of posts in that, you are spreading that so much, you're spreading that net so much further than what your website is doing by itself, right? That to me is, so those are two big things. And like I said, with the caveat of saying, I understand advanced coupons doesn't sound sexy, but when you look at what it's actually doing, all of a sudden it gets to be pretty sexy. And Sonia's back. She says she bought Lifter LMS on Envato. She's just installing the system, and she's curious to which software to use for the membership site. So I know that this isn't the topic today, Chris, but I just want to encourage Sonia. Every Thursday, we have a live pre-sales call. Sonia, I welcome you to come to that. The good news is if you've got Lifter LMS, you don't need software for a membership site, because Lifter LMS includes the membership tools that you need. So I run that on Thursday. Come see me Thursday for the live. I would love to walk you through a screen share on how that works. Now, we do have some questions related to the coupons, Chris.
All right.
So you ready? How much does the advanced coupon add-on cost? I know you said it pretty quickly during the presentation and you showed the screen, but let's just cover it here at the end for folks that are asking.
So advanced coupons is an individual add-on, and if you buy it by itself, the price is $299. However, at Lifter LMS, we have an introductory offer where you can get your first year on a new license for 50% off. So to get started with, let's say you just have Lifter LMS and a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal, and you just really want to leverage coupons, you can get started for $149.50 your first year. You can also get it via the Infinity Bundle, and that the first year on that is $749.50 the first year.
Cool. Thanks. Another question kind of related to your Big Mac example. What regions would you recommend creating a coupon for? Like so you run Lifter LMS, it's a big deal. So as a big deal, what do you recommend people geofence for?
I think this is one of the things that I really learned in building an international software. Like Lifter LMS is not just for people in the United States, because I live in the United States, and a lot of software companies are like really focused on the United States and Europe or whatever. But WordPress in particular has such great global adoption. I learned the power of just making a product that the whole world would want and afford. It's one of the reasons why our free core plugin is completely free, so that it's accessible and usable and can create impact across the entire world, no matter what their purchasing power is. It's literally free. But in terms of regions to focus on, I like to focus on the areas that have two characteristics. The ones that are most likely in the TAM, or the total addressable market, and the ones that are the least or are the most disadvantaged with their purchasing power. So sometimes you might want to look at if your native language is an example. So we talked about the Philippines earlier. And if your course or coaching program is in English, a lot of Filipino people, they speak Tagalog, the local language, but they also speak English. So it's an English speaking area. I'm not trying to just sell to a country that doesn't have some English speaking going on there. Unless my content, it doesn't matter what language they speak or whatever. And there's translation tools and all kinds of things. But like where's your target market? If you know you have people in Asia, I like to target particularly Southeast Asia is where people are really have some of the most disadvantage in terms of purchasing power. And then I'm also a big fan of Eastern Europe, because we saw like the UK has a even more expensive Big Mac than the United States, but Europe is a big place too. And there's a lot of places in Eastern Europe that don't have the same purchasing power as Western Europe, like Spain, France, Germany, so on, or the Nordic countries, which have the highest purchasing power. A lot of people think the United States has the most purchasing power, but it's not true. It's literally Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Switzerland. These are the ones that have the most purchasing power. I also like to do what I can to help out in Latin America. So when you study populations, you'll discover things like Brazil has a ton of people in it. And there's a lot of people there that speak Spanish and Portuguese and English. So there's a huge opportunity in Brazil. If you look at Africa, Nigeria has a thriving emerging technology scene. For example, in WordPress, there's a lot of people using WordPress in Nigeria, and Nigerians speak English as well. So
there's a lot of princes there.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, really, when I create a course or something, I want anybody anywhere in the world to benefit from it. So if you want to get, super advanced, you could like figure out the Big Mac index, like figure out your discount based on region and hook everybody up. But if you just want to get started, find a country that is, does not have great purchasing power, that has a lot of people that could be a good fit for your program. So if you're selling to entrepreneurs, I mean, there's entrepreneurs all over the world, but particularly like tech entrepreneurship, there's a lot of that in India. There's a lot of that in Nigeria. There's a lot of that in Eastern Europe. So it just depends on what your niche is and where the people are. But yeah, that's my thoughts on doing that. And maybe when I first did this kind of strategy, I just focus on one region or one country with a high population and just start there. Like you don't have to figure out the whole thing like Spotify and McDonald's has already figured out. So
nice. We got one more question that I think is kind of a softball for you, Chris. It's pretty simple. It's simple and difficult all at the same time. What else is included with the Infinity Bundle? Because it's a big bundle.
Yeah. Well, the Infinity Bundle has literally everything we make in it. So if we let me reshare my screen here, pull that up. So again, you can go to software add-ons, and everything you see on this screen is included in the Infinity Bundle, from payments to integrations with form plugins, CRMs, our theme, access to our live office hours support call and mastermind. The orange add-ons are the advanced feature add-ons. So like advanced coupons is an advanced coupon add-on. Advanced videos extends the video functionality and options and protections in your LMS website. Groups allows you to offer training into groups like companies, schools, governments, families, etc. So yeah, everything we make is included in the Infinity Bundle. And I did want to let you know that next week we are going to be doing a special promotion for the Infinity Bundle lifetime license. That's all I'm going to say about that right now, but you'll get an email about that. I think one actually went out today or goes out today about that. So yeah, Lifter LMS is the most powerful learning management system in WordPress. It's the most all-in-one. And really outside of WordPress, if you look at other tools, this kind of customizability, all-in-one nature, extendability makes Lifter LMS the most powerful that you can, build your LMS, own the asset, customize it, have full control, own your data, and all of that. So that's what's included in the Infinity Bundle. And if we have any more questions, or if that's it.
No, Sonia said she's going to try and see me on Thursday. Other than that, I think we're clear.
Awesome. Well, Kurt, thank you for helping me put this on. You out there watching, thanks for checking this out. Go leverage the power of advanced coupons if you sell your training. There's so much you can do. If you have any questions about how it works or what you could do with it, feel free to reach out with us. Check out lifterlms.com. Go get advanced coupons, get the Infinity Bundle, and keep your eyes peeled for the special lifetime license announcement. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for coming, and have a great rest of your day.